Hello everyone, welcome to Yuktix team. Today in this video, we will know some information on one of the important disease, that is early blight of tomato crop. This is a very common disease of tomato which appears on the foliage part of plant at any stage of the crop growth. This fungus appears on foliage as leaf spot and blight. Early blight is observed on plants as small black lesions, mostly on the older leaves. Leaf tissue surrounding the spots may turn yellow or completely get dried if temperature and humidity are favorable. Now, let us know what are the favorable conditions for survival and spread of early blight disease. This fungus survives well in warm weather with high relative humidity and optimum temperature range of 28 to 30 degrees Celsius, which are conducive for conidial germination approximately within 40 minutes of time. Through different managemental practices, disease can be controlled easily. Cultural practices such as removing infected materials like decaying vines and fruits from the vicinity of production fields. Ensuring that seeds and transplanted materials are pathogen free before planting in the field. Crop rotation should be done with the crops which are resistant to this disease. Avoid irrigation in cool, cloudy weather or late in evening when leaf wetness is more. By maintaining adequate soil fertility level, the disease can be managed to some extent. Disease management through chemical control by using mancozeb spray, mancozeb plus metalaxyl spray, dimethamorph plus Polym spray. These sprays can be taken as precautionary sprays to control this disease as chemical management. Early blight disease causes up to 79% of crop loss. Let us know using Yuktix Gigabits platform how early blight disease forecast model can help farmers. For preparing the disease model, we collect some specific data from our device. Then by using this data, we identify which disease or pest can affect your crop by considering managemental practices conducted in your field till date. By considering temperature, humidity, rainfall, etc., we analyze early blight disease severity and alert is sent along with the chemical recommendation to the farmer through our mobile app. For preparing the disease model, we collect some specific data from our device. Then by using this data, we identify which disease or pest can affect your crop by considering managemental practices conducted in your field till date. By considering temperature, humidity, rainfall, etc., we analyze early blight disease severity and alert is sent along with the chemical recommendation to the farmer through our mobile app. This is how Yuktix team is providing solutions for early blight disease of tomato through Gigabits app. In the next video, we will come up with another pest or disease information. Thank you.